Alright, hey, this is Hans.
And this is Kit.
And this is the chocolate break. So we went and we found more
chocolate.
You like to go first?
No, you go first this time.
Really?
I always go first.
Yeah, but you're my lady.
It's okay.
Are you sure?
Let's get yours out of the way.
Alright, my love. Out of the way.
Out of the
Make
way.
it stop. So we got this thing. Look, it's shiny and fancy. The one that I chose is Boharat Middle Eastern Spice, black peppercorn, cumin, cinnamon, and cloves in dark chocolate. Doesn't that sound good?
Not at all.
No?
No.
I think you're gonna like it.
I doubt that.
I'm telling you, you're gonna like it.
Nope.
You gotta like it. I'm gonna open this up. Thusly, it has a small sticker here, which I will pick off. Pick. You're not excited about this one?
No.
Whoa.
It's not one bar, it's
three. Oh.
Feed the people.
This one looks interesting. Whoa, it smells strongly of stuff.
Ew. I really don't like the smell of clove. I don't like the taste of clove either.
So we've collaborated with Chef Tariq Abdullah to bring you the Boharat Middle Eastern Spice Bar in dark chocolate.
Maybe that's who that is.
Does he have a hat?
No.
Well, this guy has a hat.
How do you know that that's the guy that they're talking about?
That's just my guess.
Why does he always have to wear a hat?
He doesn't. But he draws inspiration from the flavors of his childhood and his travels to North Africa and the Mediterranean to formulate a spice-forward culinary point of view. That's all I want to hear. Spice forward. Which one should we do?
I don't know. Let's chop off the arm.
This one?
Yeah.
Alright. Would you like to do the honors?
I will, with my new handy dandy Hello Kitty knife.
Yeah, that's serious business. I wonder if it'll taste better that Hello Kitty is. I mean, is that a knife suitable for little girls to be carrying around? A Hello Kitty blade?
It is. It's pink.
Yeah.
So that means it's not dangerous.
Does it look like anything? It has that little logo in the corner.
It's got the logo, and it's just little squares, but...
I guess we could just bust it apart.
No,
we gotta... yeah. Ooh.
Power.
You get the one with the logo on it.
Okay.
It's because I love you.
Alright.
It's what you get.
Thank you.
Alright, ready?
Ready.
Enjoy.
Okay.
Ready, set, go. I dig that. Really?
It's not as bad as the last one you picked. I just don't like clove. And that's like...
Really?
I told you why I don't like clove.
Why?
Because when I had my wisdom teeth taken out, I got dry socket. And they took a little piece of gauze and dumped a bunch of clove oil on it and then shoved it in the hole where I had the dry socket, and then that was all I could taste for days.
Oh, that's nasty.
So...
yeah, I can see how that would kind of turn you off from clove. I used to smoke clove cigarettes when I was younger from Indonesia. The Jarum
I get
ones.
like a little bit of the cinnamon, but...
I'm getting the cumin and the cinnamon.
Yeah.
Maybe just the tiniest bit of the black pepper, and then there's definitely the clove. Yeah. I like it. It reminds me, honestly, you know what it's giving me with the cinnamon and the clove? I'm getting pumpkin spice. Honestly,
I can see that.
I'm getting
I don't like pumpkin spice
No,
either.
you don't. So.
Yes, I'm one of the only people that don't like pumpkin spice.
No, there's a lot of people who absolutely hate pumpkin spice.
They were talking about it. Starbucks already released the day that they were...
When?
The 20-something of August.
Oh, sweet. I'm there. I freaking love pumpkin spice. I'm a pumpkin spice crackhead.
It's coming.
If there was a band called the Pumpkin Spice Girls, I would have every one of their albums. Let me put it that way. I really like pumpkin spice. Pumpkin spice Oreos, pumpkin spice Pringles, pumpkin spice French fries.
Have some pumpkin spice.
That's super good. A score. 0 to 5 stars.
I'll give it a half.
A half a star?
I'll give it a half. The chocolate part was okay-ish, but
wow.
I don't like clove. I don't like clove.
Wow. I'm giving it a 4. 4 out of 5.
Cool.
And I think maybe I should give it actually a 4.25 out of 5, just because
I only want to give it a half.
No, because
it deserves better.
No, because honestly, I really do like that. I'm looking forward to having the rest of that.
Enjoy, it's all yours.
Thank you. Well, now it's time for yours.
The children will like it.
The children will like it.
I went with something. Well, I don't like marzipan either, so I might be out of luck this week.
The chocolate break, a show where we
torture.
We watch my wife get tortured by food she absolutely despises.
Fine quality European chocolate made with natural ingredients.
So, is it say anywhere about being marzipan enrobed in chocolate? Because
it just says made with 100% finest marzipan.
Crack her open. Let's find out.
Chocolate.
Now, is this for after you're done with working out, or if you're playing tennis?
What do you mean?
Doesn't it say sport right there?
Yeah, it does.
So what's the deal? Where's it from?
Germany.
German. Deutsche chocolate, yeah. And where were these from? I think these are like local. Yeah, Seattle Chocolate Company. Ooh, look at that. Wow.
Little tasty morsel.
It looks like a waffle.
It kind of does.
Yeah. Liebenwaffel. Would you share your Liebenwaffel with me, mein Fräulein?
Okay. Alright. Got dark chocolate.
Look, you can see
marzipan.
Feel it.
Marzipan.
Feel marzipan. Feel it. Alright.
Right.
What is that? Isn't marzipan like almond paste?
I think so.
Okay. Cheers.
Okay. Honestly, the texture is kind of what gets me on this one. I don't like the texture of the marzipan, but it reminds me of when you make cookies and put like almond extract in it.
Yeah, big time. That was going to be what I was going to say. And it kind of reminds me of like a bonbon or a chocolate.
Kind of.
And the filling, except it's like the cheap filling, the white junk that's in those Cello brand cherries that you get from Rite Aid around Christmas time that are crap. Actually, they're good, but yeah, they just don't have the right kind of
I think the
evenness.
ratio is off, so it needs like a thinner layer even of the marzipan and
Either that
a little more of the chocolate.
I would like it if the marzipan was creamier.
Yeah.
Less
It's paste, like
toothpaste.
gritty.
Yeah,
Gritty.
yeah. It's like it wasn't worked long enough.
No.
Well, how many stars?
I'll give it a 1.5 stars.
Wow.
I like the flavor better, quite a bit.
I'll give it a 3. Just it's like not my favorite, but
Could be worse.
could be much worse. It's just like when I review noodles, a 3, basically multiply it by 10 and then by 2. Because if it's out of 5, it's getting a D, 60% grade from me. So. You're failing like everything. You're a harsh taskmaster. So.
I guess I will know what I like when we find it.
I guess so. All right, well, this has been Hans.
And this is Kit.
And I hope you enjoy your chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi.
Nothing else?
No.
Okay.
Bye.
All right, bye-bye.